Alright friends, you're welcome. I'll show you how to create a clipping mask. First, we have an image and we also have shape here. So we're going to clip this very particular image into this very particular shape, this round shape here. So to do that, we have two methods, and the first method is, let's head over, making sure that our image is on top of our shape. Now let's right click on the active layer, which is called model here, and let's click on create clipping mask. Perfect. Now for the second method, we're going to hold Ctrl and Alt on our keyboard, then hover our mouse between the middle of the image and the shape we want to mask clip. So you will see this very particular icon, yeah, a box and a returning arrow showing or pointing downward. So now let's click and then create our mask clip. So perfect. Thank you for watching.